Road trip! Today, we're heading out on the journey to home ownership. So of course, we'll use a trusty map that gives you turn-by-turn directions to bring it home smoothly. I'm Adam, your Pennymac loan expert and veritable GPS to your home ownership destination. The first step on the journey is to fuel up on your savings. Make sure you're filling your savings account with enough to cover the down payment and closing costs. Next, check your credit score. Get a free copy of your credit report and scan it for any issues that might be red flags for a lender. Make fixes to resolve any of those issues. Now it's time to research your mortgage options. It's important to know if you want a conventional loan, an FHA loan, or a VA loan, or if you want a 15-year, a 30-year, or a custom loan term. Know what's out there and what's best for you. The next stop is to jumpstart the approval process by working with a lender to review your credit, income, and assets to get a preliminary assessment of how much they'll be willing to lend you. The lender will give you the written letter for how much you can borrow. You can use the letter to back up your offer on a home and show the sellers that you're a serious buyer. That leads us to the next step. Hit the road to find the right property. Be sure to limit your search to only properties that are within your budget. When you find the right one, make an offer. When you make your offer, you may be required to put down what's called earnest money, which is like a deposit that shows the sellers you're ready to commit. Once your offer is accepted, you've arrived at the point to apply for a mortgage. You'll need to fill out an application and provide financial documentation, including proof of income, debt amounts, and bank statements to show your assets. From there, you'll get a loan estimate from your lender. Once the estimate is accepted, your lender will begin processing the loan, which typically includes ordering a title search and an appraisal. It also begins the underwriting process, which is basically the final verification of all your loan information and loan requirements. Once your application is approved through underwriting, you're in the home stretch to the final destination, to close on the property. This is when you'll receive a closing disclosure that confirms your monthly payment, down payment, interest rate, and closing costs. You'll also sign the closing documents and then get the keys to your new home. That's when you know you've arrived and you're officially a homeowner. We mapped out the 8 steps in the journey to home ownership, but if you have any questions about the specifics along the way, tune in here to get more details so you can bring it home with confidence.